girl Pay back again with another video. And people have been asking me, like they always ask me from day one to make cooking videos. So I'm gonna just take this opportunity to make this cooking video. So I'm gonna make fish tacos. My brother's gonna be eating pizza, but I'm gonna be eating these fish tacos. I couldn't find the cheese grater. I think the cheese grater was in the dishwashing machine. So I just cut up some cheese. So yeah, so usually I use like white cheese. I forgot what it's called. And mozzarella. I think that's what it is, mozzarella. And we're using tilapia. I thawed it out already. We're gonna season the tilapia with some Miss Dash. And first we're gonna butter the pan up so the fish doesn't stick. So I'm gonna be using some canola oil. And we're just gonna put enough to cover the bottom. So the fish, sorry for the lighting, guys. So the fish doesn't stick. So I'll say like that much. You wanna wash your hands before you touch raw meat. Spread it around. Then I'm going to take out the fish, put it in the pan. So now I'm going to take the Miss Dash and season it. And I get a little, you see how it got everywhere? That's when I like start to crumble the fish up. Then the more seasoning will get on there. Brown, so we're gonna get some tortillas. And we're just gonna brown them. We're gonna brown them. Put it on here. And just let it brown a little bit. And turn it. And flip it over. And now we're gonna grab one of these and we're gonna flip the fish over. Now while that's frying, I'm going to take my cheese, fold these up, and just take my cheese, some cheese, and put it in there. Just spread it out. We're gonna check on the fish. Yeah. Gonna turn on the fan. That's done. You can get this from Sam's Club. It's a roasted pineapple and habanero glaze and finishing sauce. It tastes so good with this on there. So we're gonna put our fish onto our taco. And this takes less than like 10 minutes to do. And it tastes so good. We have the fish on there. Gonna open this up, open up the sauce. Then glaze it over your fish. That's enough just to glaze it over. Now we're just gonna roll it. You can just leave it like this, honestly, or if you want to roll it. That's how I do it. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's all you do. You can cook it under 10 minutes. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm sorry for my hair, but like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I hope you guys like my cooking. It tastes really good. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it tastes like a 10. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you want to see me cook something else. Let me know what you guys want me to cook, and I will tune in with you guys next time.